Daily routine English sentences.
English speaking practice.
Wake up. Wake up. Wash your face. Wash your face. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Do your hair. Do your hair. Make your bed. Make your bed. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Drive to work. Drive to work. 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 Study. Study. Wash your hand. Wash your hands. Have lunch. Have lunch. Leave school. Leave school. Get home. Get home. Take a nap. Take a nap. Have a snacks. Have a snacks. Do homework. Do homework. Play computer game. Play computer game. Read books. Read books. Play with your toys. Play with your toys. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Go shopping. Go shopping. Listen to music. Listen to music. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum. Vacuum. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Water the lawn. Water the lawn. Go for walk. Go for walk. Watch TV. Watch TV. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Do the dish. Do the dish. Do the dusting. Do the dusting. Make dinner. Make dinner. Have dinner. Have dinner. Go to bed. Go to bed. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you.